Okay, how to transfer your files from a Tascam 2488 Neo into your D.A.W. Get it into your computer and then to your D.A.W. On this, you go menu, then you go to wave in out, hit yes. Right? USB export, yes. Then there's your tracks. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, I'm doing track number 5. Hit yes. Yes. Export to FAT, yes. And then it will write the file. Once it writes the file, it takes forever. So I'll probably forward this. It's writing away. This is also how to do it on Ableton. That's what I'm using here, but I'm sure you just drag it into your any DAW the same way. So you have to do this with each file separately that I know of. That's the only way. It took me forever to figure out how to do this. Almost there. Only one file. Okay, so now, as you can see here, it says, MIDI sync. I forgot to say that. So now what you want to do is go back to menu. In the menu, you want to go to disk from the other one. Press enter. Yes. And then USB open. Yes. You sure? Yes. Storing the song. All right. And now it opens up the USB files there. You go over to wave, open that up, double click on that, and there's my track 5, right? And I'm going to double click and I'm going to drag it out of there. I'm going to drag it right there. Boom. All right. And there it is. There's the file. It's right here. Let me just put this out of the... Okay, oops. As you can see, the file was right in here. So that's how you do it.